welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about how to make Christmas presents out of your art. There are 4 simple little ideas that I have for you, so stick around. I know that it's Christmas and it's December and everybody probably has their trees up. Christmas trees just kind of give you a sense of hope and peace. I wanted to show you my Christmas tree because I wanted you to get that sense of peace. So here's one piece. Here's another piece. So I hope that brought you a feeling of peace because my Christmas tree is still in pieces. And I don't know where the feet are. Oh, hey, there's still an ornament on here. You can stand there. Lost a passenger. So I got 4 ideas for you guys to make Christmas gifts out of your art. If you're like me, you're cheap. I mean, frugal. Because I like to spend a lot on Christmas gifts. But then sometimes you spend a little too much on Christmas gifts. All of this stuff was pretty cheap for me, so I hope it'll be cheap for you guys. You just gotta find a really good print shop. So my first idea is naturally a Christmas card. It's super simple. All you have to do is go to your print shop and tell them that you want your art printed on some cardstock paper. Check it, dude, I have a protractor. I know what you're wondering. Why do you randomly have a protractor? Well, to answer your question, I'm not sure. It's just how weird my life is at this point. I think this protractor's broken. This is 9 inches by like 7 inches. But if you take a pack of envelopes and you say, hey, here's my art. I want you to print it out on a cardstock piece of paper and I want it to fit in this envelope folded, they should be able to do that. Of course, who am I to be talking though? Because I couldn't really even measure it with a protractor. So that is my first idea, is just some cheap Christmas cards and say, hey, Merry Christmas. And maybe you can put a Starbucks card in there. That would be kind of expensive. That's kind of out of the scope of this video. It's a good thing you're not like some people that just waste all their money on random instruments like violins and stuff. And like you don't even know how to play a violin. Speaking of which, it should be in the mail soon. Okay, so idea number 2 is kind of an offshoot of that. It's a postcard. Same thing, just with this little stuff on the back. I went to my print shop and I said, hey, I need this print on the top and I need it to have this on the back. I gave them a draft of this and they put their own lines and stuff on there. So that way it doesn't look like my stupid crooked lines that I used my protractor to draw. I actually sold all these postcards. I was gonna show you like the actual ones, but people kept buying them. So I guess it's a good idea. The third thing is that you can make stickers out of it. Okay, so here's how I did this.
And these are really freaking cute.
I took my piece of art, I went to my print shop and I said, hey, oh, I also had some sticker paper, which sticker paper on Amazon, I'll link it below, is like $13 and you get a ton. So yeah, so take your piece of art and your sticker paper to your print shop and say, hey, I want you to put this print all over this sticker paper. And then all you gotta do is cut them out. And they're actually really cute little stickers. The downside is you have to put a little tab on here so that people can like actually get it off, because if not, it'd be a disaster. Last but not least, do people read anymore? Are we still reading things or do we just get on TikTok? Last year I made some bookmarks and these actually did really well. Well, it's actually kind of big, so you're gonna have to read a really big book. This guy was probably 50 cents. All I did was I took my art to my print shop and I said, hey, I need this on like cardstock paper. And they did it and I cut it out and voila, it's a bookmark. The cards were probably $1 each. The postcards were probably like 75 cents each. The stickers were insane. They put probably 15 stickers on one page. So I got loads of stickers that I haven't even cut out yet. That is probably the cheapest option if you ask me. The bookmarks, it depends on how small you make the bookmarks, because if you can fit like 5 of them on one cardstock sheet of paper, wham, you have like 5 bookmarks for $1, $2. So all in all, this is super cheap. The main issue being just to find a really good print shop. And I use McGee-Cad Pro graphics and drafting. That's still not right. But if you can find a good print shop to put all your artwork on these various pieces of paper and you can just cut them out and give them to people, it's like a $5 gift. Even if you don't do the stickers and you don't do the bookmarks, even if you just send them a postcard or a card, at least it'll have your artwork on it and you can say, oh, it was made by yours truly, a signature, and they'll think it's super special. which it kind of is because it came from you, you know?
Mine's not really special because I'm not really that special.
I don't know where I was going with that. Anyway, so those are my 4 ideas for how to make your art into Christmas gifts. And if you will excuse me, I gotta go put my Christmas tree together. So, have a lovely weekend. I'll see you guys later.